Welcome to the Architectural Modeling in Sketchup course. This course is intended for designers and those wishing to develop greater precision in their sketching using Sketchup. The software is an easy-to-learn 3D modeling program with a limited number of simple tools that help participants create 3D models of objects, furniture, and interior space. At the end of this course, participants will learn how to produce a 3D modeling of a double-story house. The impact of a Micro Credential program in 3D modeling using SketchUp, particularly for architecture students, can be significant in several ways. Skill enhancement. Practical software expertise. Students develop hands-on experience with SketchUp, a widely used architectural tool. This improves their ability to translate design concepts into 3D models, crucial for architectural presentations and design work. Visualization and conceptual understanding. Industry-relevant skills. Since SketchUp is used by many architectural firms, mastering it enhances employability and professional readiness. Portfolio development. Improved spatial awareness. Allows learners to better visualize spaces, structures, and designs in a more interactive way. This helps in understanding architectural elements and their spatial relationships more effectively. Collaboration and communication. Enhanced communication. 3D models serve as a powerful tool to communicate design ideas clearly to clients, peers, or instructors, making architectural concepts easier to understand for those without technical backgrounds. Collaborative tools. SketchUp's online platforms and cloud integration make it easier to share models and work on projects collaboratively, enhancing teamwork skills. Real-world application and problem-solving. Design problem-solving. Students learn to tackle real-world architectural problems by creating detailed models, allowing them to foresee design challenges before construction. Impact for teaching performance and academic. Effective use of teaching strategies. Active learning techniques. Educators can employ hands-on, project-based learning, which helps in fostering deeper understanding and retention of material. Skill enhancement. Institutions gain insights into current sustainability practices, improving their expertise and teaching methodologies. Improved feedback mechanisms. Ongoing assessment. Continuous feedback during projects allows lecturers to identify student strengths and areas needing support, facilitating tailored instruction. Plan to model automation. Auto-conversion of 2D plans to 3D models. This automation ensures accuracy and efficiency, allowing students to focus more on enhancing the design rather than starting from scratch. Vertical space optimization. Parametric design for structural elements. Integrating parametric tools into SketchUp allows students to experiment with various structural forms, such as beams, columns, or cantilevers, that adapt to design parameters like load-bearing walls or open-plan areas. This ensures the balance between aesthetics and practicality. Phasing and construction simulation. SketchUp allows students to visualize the construction phasing, showing how the house can be built step by step. Here's how the project can be scalable across various dimensions. Design adaptability and flexibility. The project can be made scalable by using modular components within SketchUp. Construction and material scalability. Students can design the house to accommodate different material choices depending on cost, availability, or environmental impact. Cross-platform compatibility. SketchUp is available for multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and SketchUp for Web. Cloud integration. The project can be stored in the cloud, making it easily accessible from any device with an internet connection. File format flexibility. SketchUp models can be exported to multiple file formats. This makes it easy to share the project with other architecture software. Ease of transfer to mobile platforms. The SketchUp Viewer app for mobile devices is useful on-site reviews, client presentations, or even for remote learning scenarios where desktop access may be limited. Overall, a double-story house project using Sketchup is highly cost-efficient and resource-efficient due to the software's affordability, its access to free design resources, and its ability to optimize materials and energy usage. Continuous improvement. Feedback loops implement a process for regularly reviewing and updating designs based on user feedback and sustainability metrics. Documentation. Keep detailed records of decisions made throughout the project for future reference and to demonstrate sustainability practices. Conclusion. In summary, Micro Credential programs like this one empower architecture students with essential technical skills, enhance their creative process, and improve their employability through practical, hands-on experience with industry-standard tools like Sketchup. Requirements. There are no specific prerequisites. You must show a deep interest and commitment to learning 3D modeling online. Anyone who is interested in learning 3D modeling but has zero knowledge. Learning outcome. Participants who successfully complete the program will be able to demonstrate a solid foundation knowledge of digital sketching by using SketchUp software. 2. Use and apply SketchUp to build 3D models on a basic level. Assalamu alaikum. I am Miss Nura. Welcome to Short Courses, Architectural Modeling in 3D SketchUp. Do you know what a SketchUp is all about? SketchUp was created in 1999 by Last Software. Since 2000,